don't know, a few hours now. We got back, relaxed, chilled out. Stop staring at me. Chilled out. My husband is just there because that long sofa is just there, staring at me. He's watching football as well. So yeah, we relaxed, chilled out, had food, had lunch outside, out there on one of those seats there. I wonder if you can see it. We had lunch there, and we got the jacuzzi ready. So it's ready now for the evening. Um, um, yeah, I'm just sat outside. I'm trying to read a book, and if I'm bored of my book, I've got my headphones here. Someone should be sat there with me, but they're there watching TV instead, watching football instead, because football is more important than your lovely wife. Stop smiling. It's not funny. Just thought to check in. We will be having a barbecue later, cause yeah, that's the barbecue thing. The the barbecue thing is there. Pizza thing is still not open. It's behind me there. So we're going to be having a barbecue later today, later in the evening, and then after dinner we're going to jump into the jacuzzi, and that will be the end of the day. So we still have some things to get on with for the rest of the day. So yeah, I'm just really chilling here and checking in on the vlog. Can you hear the birds? And you can probably hear our neighbors as well. Yeah, we're here. It's so nice. The sun is just directly on me. And guess what? I have no sun cream on. I should probably go and put on. I'm going to go and put on sun cream and come back and sit here.